Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we begin with one of the most important grammar topics, irregular past tense verbs. These are verbs that do not follow the usual rule of adding ed to form the past tense. We will start by learning 3 common irregular verbs: go, come, and see. Listen carefully and repeat after me during each example to improve your pronunciation and understanding. The verb go means to move or travel from one place to another. In the past tense, go changes completely to went. For example, I go to school every day means this is something that happens regularly. But when we talk about the past, we say I went to school yesterday. That shows the action already happened. Notice that we do not say goed. The correct past form is went. The verb come means to move toward the speaker or a specific place. Its past tense form is came. There is no ed ending because this is an irregular change. For example, they come home at 6 p.m. means it happens every day. To talk about yesterday, we say they came home early yesterday. The word came is the past form of come. Always remember the pronunciation difference between come and came. The verb see means to notice something with your eyes. In the past tense form, see changes to saw. There is no ed ending here either. For example, we see the mountains clearly means it happens now or often. To talk about the past, we say we saw the mountains yesterday morning. The word saw is the correct past form of the verb see. Do not confuse this saw with the tool used for cutting wood. In this sentence, it only means the past of see. Let us review the 3 irregular verbs we just learned. The verb go becomes went in the past. The verb come becomes came. And the verb see becomes saw. These changes are not regular and must be memorized. When learning irregular verbs, it helps to create simple sentences and repeat them often to remember how the forms change between present and past. Now it is your turn to practice. Choose the correct past tense word for each sentence. For example, I blanked to the park yesterday. Should we say go or went? The correct answer will appear later. Try to think about each one carefully. The second sentence says, she blanked to the party last night. Do we say come or came? And the third one says, we blank a movie on Sunday. Do we say see or saw? Think and choose the word that feels correct. Here are the correct answers. I went to the park yesterday. The correct past form of go is went. She came to the party last night. The past form of come is came. We saw a movie on Sunday. The past form of see is saw. Remember, irregular verbs do not take the usual ed ending. Their spelling changes completely, so practice using them in short, simple sentences to strengthen your memory. We have learned 3 key irregular verbs today and their past forms. Go becomes went, come becomes came, and see becomes saw. Each verb changes form in a unique way and does not follow the normal rules. Irregular verbs are very common in English, so it is important to practice them often. In the next lesson, we will continue with more irregular verbs to help you speak English more naturally and confidently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.